you, Judge.
All right, do y'all want a jury trial?
Judge, I need to make a motion to have my client retested and reevaluated on.
Quick legal note here. When a lawyer asks for a psychological competency evaluation, it's not about strategy. It's about making sure the defendant even understands what's happening in court. If they don't, the entire trial can't move forward fairly.
Psychological competency, Judge.
All right, you'll need to file it with...
And that right there is Judge Boyd reminding everyone, court isn't optional. Deputies don't negotiate, they escort. What do you think? Was she too harsh here? Or just being real?
Judge Rodriguez and Norma, they need to do the informal inquiry. And let me explain something to you, because a lot of people don't understand this. When you're ordered to be in court, you come to court. None of this telling the deputies, oh, I'm not coming, because at the end of the day, if I order you to be to court, who do you think is going to win the argument when the deputies have to bring you over? You think you're going to win that argument?
Once Upon a Time in the West. Thank you, with Henry Fonda. Yeah, do you know what? That is one of the best Westerns that has ever been made, and so few people have seen it.
I agree. Anyway, I was just...
Thank you. That is so true.
Yeah, I have full experience.
Okay, just one second. Let me write this note. All right, Mr. Hernandez, how are you doing today? Oh, I'm doing great. All right, when you drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'll probably say positive.
Positive for what? Could everyone please whisper? All right. How often are you using meth? No, it has to be, you knew you were coming to court today. So for you to be positive for meth, that means you used knowing you had to be in court today. So again, how often are you using?
Not often.
What does that mean?
That's 3 times a week.
All right. That's often. All right. So we're going to try to get you some help. We're going to do a UA today. And you're going to be taken into custody today. And we're going to try to get you some inpatient treatment, okay? All right. Can you UA him, please?
Did you catch that? The defendant basically admitted to using meth so frequently he can't even define often. That's courtroom code for, we need rehab, not excuses.
Zane Hernandez. All right, so Mr. Hernandez, we're gonna make sure you have treatment, because you using meth that amount of time, it's not gonna end well for you. All right, do you have children? All right, where are you staying? Are you staying with someone? Your mom? All right, so we'll be sure to make sure that we have your mother's number and let her know. And we're gonna get an attorney appointed for you before you leave here today, okay? All right. So we can do the UA, and if you can issue, file a motion to revoke. And I'm not doing this as a punishment to you. I'm doing it so that hopefully you'll become clean and sober, because otherwise it's not going to end well. And when you think that using meth 3 times a week is not a lot, that's a lot. Okay? All right. Thank you. Oh, no, he knows he's supposed to be here at 9.
But I'm just, don't talk.
Yeah. This is not the first time he's been late to this court. It's chronic where he's late.
Okay, Judge, we're set for trial?
Yes.
Defense is ready?
Yeah, I know.
You were not here at 9.
I called the court judge and said that I was going to be late.
No, he was late. I called the docket at 9 a.m. So why were you late?
Probably getting the baby ready.
All right, why are you bringing a baby down here?
I have no one to watch.
Well, who's with the baby now?
Oh.
I'm sorry, who?
My wife.
All right, so again, why are you bringing a baby down here if you have your wife to take care of a baby?
She wanted to come.
Do not bring a child down to the court unnecessarily. This courthouse is germy. It's filled with germs. Your baby is still being pushed in a carriage, which tells me your child cannot walk. Is that correct?
Yes.
How old is your child?
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yes.
You bring in a 3
3 weeks old. Can you imagine? This courthouse isn't a daycare. It's one of the germiest places you could bring a newborn. What's the wildest excuse you've ever heard in court? Drop it in the comments.
week baby to a germy courthouse. His immune system is less than 0 to pick up germs. And I believe that everyone here is presumed to be innocent, right? But you don't know who's walking around here. There are some people who are on probation who are registered sex offenders, and you bring in an infant down here who's barely 3 weeks old, who should be at the home, right? And let me just tell you something.
You suck!
The fact that people have infants and they bring them down here, that's me acknowledging that you have an infant, but bringing an infant is not to sway me. You understand?
I understand.
Do not bring the infant. What's your child's name?
Tyler.
Do not bring Tyler down here again. He did not expect to be given to you.
Yes, the judge really said it. Brutal honesty in the courtroom. Sometimes the only way to cut through nonsense is with plain words. No sugarcoating here.
As a child and have to come to a felony court with all these germs. You understand? All right, where are we on this case? Discovery.
The state has extended an offer of pretrial diversion. We're asking for a reset. There's additional material.
So the case gets reset. That means the defendant gets more time, but also another chance to prove they can follow the rules. Think of it as a legal pause button, but push it too many times and patience runs out.
I would like to provide them in hopes that they will just dismiss it outright.
All right, I need a 30-day reset for PTD. All right, you'll be back on April 25th. If you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.